Hey everybody, Dana Stovern here with the Magic of Somatic Money, and we are here for the first freshy card pull from the brand new Somatic Money Oracle deck. Bear with me because I'm beginning to change my routine a little bit here. Got to get my card pulling space set up, and I am not really camera appropriate this morning, so that's why we're just taking a look at the deck. So I'm going to be pulling from the deck, and let's do the first card pull for this morning. And it is looking like, okay, the first card coming up is going to be your Deconstruction, Reconstruction card. And sorry about the glare on that. So this first card it's in the category of why isn't your money working? And so this gives teasers on pointers on directional where you might want to be looking directionally with your money. And this is the Deconstruction Reconstruction card, which a lot of us are going through right now with aspects of our lives coming apart so that they can come back together in new ways. And that does include money. Now, I could spend the whole reading on that one, but we're doing a 3-card pull this morning. So let me go ahead and shuffle the deck a little bit here, and let's get going with the second card. All right, second card. All right, second card is about clearing money drama or clearing money messes, and I could spend the whole reading talking about that, but Spirit Team wants me to go ahead and move through. Let's go ahead and do the third card pull on this. All right, this one is really standing out. And remember, this is a collective reading. All right. Dissolving money fear and or money scarcity. Okay, so the way this deck works is that each one of these cards here can stand on its own, but then when you put them together, they begin to color one another and give us a little bit more information. So let's take a look at this as a collective, the collection on the card reading here, and that is, yeah, there's many dramas, many messes going on because of there can be deconstruction, reconstruction going on, creating a lot of money fear, money scarcity. Like, you know, looking at this overall, this is like high financial drama going on. And wow, Spirit Team is really coming through on a channel. Ooh, so if you are feeling like your life or your money life has a lot of deconstruction, reconstruction going on, and that is especially being driven by the planets right now. And you feel like there's a lot of drama and money messes because of money or life coming apart, and you've got a lot of financial fear and a lot of financial scarcity going on, or the illusion of that. The first thing I can hear Spirit Team saying is you might feel like you're not alone, but you are not alone. They want you to know that right out of the gate. You may feel like you're alone with a lot of the stresses going on, but you're not alone. The next thing they want you to know is it's more. This is an instruction, and I will. They want me to say, calm down. Like, that's probably the last thing you need to hear, because the moment somebody says to you, calm down, you have that whole like reaction right to it. But there's a sense coming through from spirit world of you're not alone, and they want you to, and this is the somatic money practice, the blueprint number 2, which is, they want you to slow down, like whatever's going on, they want you to slow down, take a beat. They want you to begin to breathe in and out, because you're probably in trigger mode, and they want you to really slow down and calm down and begin to come into your center. And here is the major message of the day. If you are in trigger, how can you make good decisions? If you are in trigger, how can you hear your spirit team or the universe or the cosmos or higher power? If you are in trigger, how can you be available to new potentials or new options or the magic going on? Because here in this card, the fear and scarcity card, when you are in fear, it constricts you. When you are in scarcity, it constricts you. And yes, I know it is counterintuitive in this trigger situation of money, fear, money, scarcity. It's counterintuitive to slow down and breathe and come into a better space with it. But that is what your spirit team is asking you to do today. Remember, we are doing a 3D to a 5D shift. 5D is higher vibrational, so that's being in higher frequency, which means, yes, calming down, breathing in, blowing it out, really getting into your center, really finding out where are you, so that you can begin to not only deal with the physical day that you have in front of you, but also make yourself available to higher vibrational things happening and greater potentials happening and miracles happening and magic happening. Because while everything is getting reconstructed to deconstructed to be reconstructed, like in the middle, what happens in the middle of chaos? Bing, things come up. Bang, miracles happen. The magic happens. So don't get so lost in the drama of this. Don't get so lost in the drama of this and land here that you lose sight of how precious you are, how miraculous you are, how amazing it is to be alive at this time on the planet. And begin to put yourself more in a position to see, as you calm down, man, they're really binging on that calm down part. And I'm like, the last thing you want to tell a woman is to calm down. Those are like fighting words, right? So as you calm down into your core space, that center space, that magical space, begin to pay attention to see what might be coming up for you. So, and so at this point, there's also, I don't know if you can read these cards off of how I have this set up, but you need to know that fear and scarcity is anchored into throat chakra and solar plexus. And through my work in my book and also in this card deck, I talk about this. This is fear and scarcity is an anchored biological response system that you can break through. So just want to say that. All right. So first reading out of the gate, little bit rough around the edges, but we will get there. And I just wanted to let you know that the card deck, the full card deck, 106 cards, it is available. I have it. I can ship it to you. Go to the links. I've got the links set up. You can go check those out. And remember, I have this priced as a system. This is not just any old oracle deck that you can pull cards from. This is a system. So remember that when you look at the pricing. And I'm working on a very full instruction manual on this so that you're not just pulling tarot cards. You are pulling cards for an inner EQ financial system that can make a difference in your life. Okay. All right. That's the card reading for today. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these, so be sure to be checking back in. Make sure you like, comment, follow, and love you people. Make it a good one out there today.